The iPhone 14 Pro is a powerful and high-end smartphone that is known for its impressive features and performance. However, some users may encounter issues with their device's sound, such as having no sound at all. In this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 14 Pro that has no sound. But before we proceed, we'd appreciate it if you could support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Now let's dive into the troubleshooting steps. First solution. Check the volume level. The first thing you should do is check the volume level on your iPhone 14 Pro. Make sure that the volume is turned up by using the volume buttons on the side of your phone, or you can open settings and then select sounds and haptics. Make sure that the ringtone and alert volume is turned up. Also check if the change with buttons option is turned on, which allows you to adjust the volume using the side buttons on your phone. Also, check if the silent mode switch is turned on, which will mute all sounds on your iPhone. Second solution, restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can help fix temporary glitches that may cause no sound, so press and hold the power button and either volume button until the slide to power off appears. Slide to power off and then turn your iPhone back on after a few seconds. If this doesn't fix the issue either, move on to the next solution. Third solution, check for a firmware update. Make sure that your iPhone 14 Pro is running the latest software version. Launch Settings and tap General. Select Software Update and check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it. It might take a few minutes, but after that the problem might be fixed. Software updates can fix bugs and improve the performance of your phone, which may help resolve the sound issue. Fourth solution, reset all settings. If the previous solutions don't work, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone 14 Pro. This solution is necessary in some cases when the issue is related to a software problem that is affecting multiple aspects of the phone's performance, including the sound. To reset all settings on your iPhone, just launch Settings and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset to reveal the options, and then select Reset All Settings. Enter your security lock and then proceed with the settings reset. This will reset all of your phone's settings to their default values, but it will not erase any of your personal data or files. This should be enough to fix a problem like this, but you can always bring your iPhone to a tech and have it checked. We hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to reach out for assistance. Have a great day.